Hi everyone, I'm Ariel from Zappos, and this is Chilton by Joules. Everyone needs a good pair of rain boots, especially when it starts to get really cold outside. Now this particular rain boot is actually made of a natural rubber and has a really soft faux fur trim here on the collar. It is an easy slip-on design and comes to about mid-height on its silhouette and has a rounded toe here in the front. It is a waterproof construction, so it's going to keep you dry and has this adorable textile pattern on the inside. And they're adorable, it's puppies! You can't go wrong with having puppies on the inside of your boots. It also has the same print here on top of the removable insole, so you're going to get a better look at what the pattern looks like. And since it is removable, you can replace it with whatever orthotics you happen to have on hand. But why would you want to? Look at all those cute little doggos. Anyway, back to the shoe. It actually also has an anti-slip wedge outsole that's really going to help give you traction wherever you are, and even has the iconic logo on the back and the pinstripe. Wet or dry, live in luxury.